In today's video, we're going to show you how to add a new keyboard on your iPhone. Whether you want to switch up your typing experience, add a keyboard for a different language, or explore new features, adding a new keyboard is a quick and easy way to enhance your iPhone experience. Before we start, please remember to like the video and share it. Thank you a lot. Before you can install a new keyboard, you'll need to download the Keyboard app from the App Store. Launch the App Store on your iPhone. Tap the search icon at the bottom and type in the name of the keyboard app you want to install, such as Gboard, SwiftKey, or any other third-party keyboard app. Find the app in the search results and tap Get, or the download icon to install it on your device. You might need to enter your Apple ID password or use Face ID/Touch ID to confirm the download. After the download is finished, you will see the Open option for that app. Every app will contain instructions for what you need to do to activate that new keyboard. You see on the screen I need to tap on the button Activate. Now you need to set up the keyboard. Tap on Set Up Now. You will be redirected to the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on General. In the General settings, tap on Keyboard. Here, you'll find options related to your current keyboards and additional settings. Now tap on Keyboards. Here you will see a list of keyboards. Tap Add New Keyboard, which will take you to a list of available keyboards you can add. Browse through the list of available keyboards. You will see also the keyboard you installed. Tap on that. Now you have activated the keyboard. But how can you switch between keyboards while typing? Open any app where you can type, like Messages or Notes. When the keyboard appears, tap the globe icon located at the bottom left of the keyboard. Swipe or tap to select the new keyboard you want to use. This will switch the keyboard to the one you selected, allowing you to type in a different language or use a specialized keyboard. And that's it. You've now learned how to add and manage new keyboards on your iPhone. This feature is a great way to enhance your typing experience, whether you're adding support for a new language or exploring different typing tools. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there are other features you'd like to learn about. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.